Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add music to your iPhone alarm so you can wake up to your favorite song instead of the default tone. First, open the Clock app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Alarm to access your alarm settings. If you want to set a new alarm, tap the plus button in the top right corner. If you want to edit an existing alarm, tap Edit in the top left corner, then select the alarm you want to customize. Next, tap on Sound. Under the Songs section, select Pick a Song. You'll now see your music library. Choose the song you want to use as your alarm sound. After picking the song, tap Back in the top left corner. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner to confirm your changes. That's it! Your iPhone alarm will now play your chosen song when it goes off, a much better way to start your day. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick iPhone tutorials.